Oh, I got this one backwards. Don't laugh at me.
Okay, Tasha. Yeah. Okay, Tasha. 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 Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha. Okay, Tasha. Okay.
What up? I'm still here. It has been a while since I've posted a video. It feels kind of good because I had a couple of people was like, when you putting out another video? When you putting out another video? So big shout out to my little fan group that I have. So what I'm doing today is a mask. I had a breakout. I hadn't done a good cleanse in about 2 weeks. Just washed my face with. I already did the wash and I already did the exfoliating because I just want to do a video of the mask. But I'll show you guys what I used was the oil-free acne wash. I have been using this since I had my sinus surgery. Since my sinus surgery, I haven't had bad breakouts. So I took me a steroid and hopefully it'll be all cleared up by, I don't know, I guess in about 2 more days. I'm just gonna do the mask. I'm just gonna apply it and take it off. That's what the video is going to be about. Don't worry about this hair because y'all already know. Okay, Tasha is gonna take care of that. Actually got a video for that too. I got a couple of videos. I'm kind of backed up, but I'm gonna get back on track. Don't worry about it. So let's see what this mask does. And I'm just going to apply it. And I think it said I had to keep it on for like 15 to 30 minutes. So I'll jump in the shower and then take it off when I, oh, stuff falling out. Oh, okay. A little juicy. Oh, I don't want to lose that juice. Let's see. Is it a couple of them? I'm confused. Oh, okay. I see. So I guess this part goes here. Oh, this shit cold. I mean, that's cold. Okay. I hope I did that right. I'm scared to move. Uh-oh. Hi. Hold on. Okay. All right, cool. So we got that on. I don't think I have it the right way though. Jason who? On the new Jason. Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so this is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask. I also use the moisturizer, which is really good. My skin is very sensitive, so I have to use water-based, no oil. No oil, okay? All right. Oh, hold on, come here. Oh, that's how it goes. Oh, so I gotta pull this down some more. Oh, there I go. Oh, I got this one backwards. Don't laugh at me. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. There you go. So y'all wasn't gonna tell me I had it on wrong? Oh, that's right. Y'all can't tell me. I'm not live. Okay, so pull it down. Oh, okay, hold on. What is this? Wait, okay. Did I really just like? Okay. Okay. Wait, it keeps falling. We fall down. We can't. This is gonna be. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Hold on. Okay. Okay, y'all not gonna be able to see all this. It keep falling. I don't like this mask. I'm gonna have to try another one because apparently. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We may be working with a little something, something. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. And then that goes there. I just gotta have patience and figure it out. That's all. And that goes there. And that goes there. And that goes there. Okay. It's still falling. All right, you guys. I think I got it. Okay, we're gonna let this. Y'all hear the TV? Don't worry about that. Don't ignore that. I forgot to turn it off. Hey, pimps mess up too. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna take a shower. If this thing falls off while I'm taking my shower, it's gonna be a problem. So, okay, I'm out the shower. Let me tell y'all how this mask is getting 2 thumbs down. Either I didn't do it right or it just really sucks. I don't like it. I ain't never had a mask just do this. Like the whole time I'm in the shower, it just wasn't doing it. I had to keep trying to adjust it while I was in the shower. So you know what? Don't like it. Let's just take this off. Like, I'm glad it wasn't that much. It was like $2.50. But I guess I get what I pay for. Garbage. Garbage. No. Garbage. Garbage. I'm upset. But hey, you don't know until you try it. And I tried it. Hated it. Clean my face. Clean that shit off my. I mean, I keep forgetting I'm on video. Clean this stuff off my face. So guys, what is a good mask that I can use? Cause I want to like do one at least once a week. So what I'm doing right now is just using my moisturizer. I could have just skipped the mask and did this. I think I showed you guys this in the previous video. My Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. My little baby. Boo, boo, boo. Focus. Focus. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this on. Did you know that you were supposed to go like this on the inside, outside, inside, outside? I learned that from some cosmetology students, my daughter. So anyway, so that didn't work out at all. So just leave some comments. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, Tasha. Click the bell so that you get notifications when I upload another video. And I just want to say thank you guys that have been missing me, and thank you guys for stopping by. Peace.